So you guys invest in companies that mine uranium. How do you mine uranium?
That's a good question. It depends on what sort of grade that you are looking at. And we've got to remember that there is actually quite a lot of uranium in the Earth's surface, but a lot of it is really not economic. Just as background, uranium provides roughly half of the heat of the Earth. The rest of it comes from plate tectonics, friction, and the sun. But ultimately, that is what is in the core of the Earth. But most of it is at such low grade that you just can't process it economically. Now, you can get at the margin where it's starting to be economic, low grade deposits. Typically, that will be open pit mined, and we'll go through a standard process to refine it into that yellow material that you see in the pictures that's drummed. You will also find different grades, much higher grades in different types of ore bodies. So in one of the most established mining districts in the Athabasca in Canada, which is a freak of nature, you'll find deposits that are, take NextGens, which is probably the most advanced tier one project yet to come into production. There, the reserve grade will be something just over 3%. There are deposits where you will see uranium up to, say, 46% that we know of. There may be others, but these are small. They're the size of a football pitch, and those have to be managed slightly differently. So there, because the grade requires more safety during the mining, it will typically be underground for one. So it might be frozen and jet washed out, and then that solution captured and processed, all with a mind to the safety that's required for these much higher grade deposits. But those are the two forms. It's open pit, generally for lower grade deposits, or it's underground mined at these slightly deeper ore bodies that typically form, say, a granite. They call it an unconformity, where it meets other rock above. And that's where the uranium bearing material chemically just forms the ore body.